Hey guys, welcome back to another tech video in which I'm going to show you how you can mirror one device screen to another device. So let's get started. So to start mirroring your device screen to another device, you need to download an app. So go to the Play Store and search an app named Inkwire, or go to the link down below and download the app. So this is the app with a very simple interface showing two options to share this phone screen or see a shared Android. So this is the another Android phone we are going to be using for this video. So I'll be clicking the share button on the black phone to share its screen to the white phone. Click start now and here it gives an access code. Click access on the second phone. And input the access code in the second phone. Now it will start mirroring the screen. You can also use microphone as well as to chat simultaneously. So here it is, we are streaming the one device screen to the another. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and give me your feedback in comment section. Make sure to check other videos also. And goodbye.